Oh, man, that'll make your head spin. So, how many of you have ever been into an accident? Did you know that an accident is widely considered one of the most stressful things a person can experience in their lifetime? And for many of you, it's also going to be a new experience with little to no training on what to do after. So today, we're going to go over some of the basics on what to do after you've had an accident. So, the first thing we're going to do after you have an accident, you're going to check yourself. Make sure that your head's still rattling and that all your parts are there. Make sure everybody in the vehicle is okay. Now, once we've all established that, we have a good baseline, let's get this vehicle off of the road. If at all possible, we want to take it, get it over onto a shoulder, and let's hit those hazards. That's going to keep anybody else barreling down the road from adding to our pileup. We don't want that. Now, this third step is going to be the most important step, and that is going to be, are you ready? You're going to dial 911. That's right. I don't care how big, how small it is, call the police. Let's get a report. Statements, memories, all of that can change. Reports don't. So let's call the police. Let's get them out there. Let's get a report filed, no matter what. I can't tell you how important this is. All right, so now what are we gonna do? We're sitting there, everybody's calm. If you feel comfortable with it, let's go ahead and get out and exchange information. All right, so we're gonna wanna do just the basics. Let's stick to the basics. So name, phone number, insurance information, and that's it. What we're not gonna do is start talking about the accident or who's at fault. This is very important because you don't want to get into this and that. So even if they bring it up, just say, no, we don't want to do it. Because like I said earlier, stories change. And the last thing you want is down the road to get into a he said, she said on who's at fault and what happened. Let's leave that to the professionals. All that we're doing is just exchanging basic information, making sure the other party's okay, and moving on with our lives. Now, another good thing to do is now that we're out of the vehicles, let's pull out those cell phones and document, all right? We're gonna get pictures of everything. You're never gonna get too many pictures. I want you to get up close and get the pictures. I want you to get far away and take pictures. Whatever you do, get the pictures. So that's gonna be it for today. So we check ourselves, safe location, call the police, right? Exchange information, take pictures, and now we're good. Let's file it with our insurance company and let's move on with our lives. That's going to be it for today. And until next time, remember to drive well and thrive with Buck the Insurance Guy, and I hope you stay well.